Hello and welcome to the Tisurance introductory video to Insurance 101 Patient Responsibility. I'm Tish. I am going to be hosting this segment of videos that have to do with patient responsibility, and we're going to be covering all the basics. See, there are so many questions that have come my way throughout the years asking, if I pay this, why am I paying that? Why was only this much paid? I don't understand. Fret not. Assurance is here to answer those questions for you. And that's our mission statement here at Assurance. We inform you, we assist you, and then we make it better for you. And how do we make it better? By informing you and giving the information that you need and insisting you to coming to the conclusions that you need that are beneficial for you to make it better for the type of insurance that you need or understanding the insurance that you have or how things pay and what have you. That's why we're here. So, if you want to do me a quick favor, take a moment to like and subscribe. But then I'm going to ask you to do that a little bit further because guess what? I'm going to need your assistance. Even though I'm here to assist you, I need your feedback. You tell me some of the things that you want to hear. Those things will be researched and presented to inform you and get down to the nicks and crannies of the information that you're lacking. Okay? Critique me. If I'm doing a great job, then all right now tell me so that I'll know. And then if I'm not and it's something that I'm lagging on, let me know that too because transparency is everything, right? Honesty is the best policy. Let me know how I'm doing because the better that I do, the more I can give you what you need and the more my existence is mattering because I'm informing, I'm insisting, and I'm making it better for you. So it's not about what I'm going to tell you, it's about what you need to know. That's all that matters. So I'm going to keep this introductory short, sweet, simple, and to the point. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to summarize what I'm going to tell you so that I can tell it to you, if that makes sense. But come on, join me. We're going to go over here, we're going to look at some stuff, and we're going to make it make sense. Okay? So let's take a look at insurance, and I'm going to move me out the way. Let's look at Insurance 101, Patient Responsibility, the basics. This is what we're going to be talking about over the next few videos. And it doesn't want to move for me. There we go. All right, our agenda, patient responsibility, basic overview. All right, we're going to just go over what it means. That's going to be covered here, okay, because this is the introductory video. Definitions, that'll be covered in each personalized segment so that you can get the nicks and crannies of the patient responsibilities. And we don't rush here at Assurance. We don't rush your understanding. We want to make sure that you get it, got it good, so that you're in the place that you need to be to get you in a better space and understanding your insurance or even understanding what you have or what you're going to choose. Because that's why we're here. Then we're going to tell you how it all works and how you fit in. And we're going to come full circle. Yep. We're going to wrap it all up and then we're going to bring it all together and make it make sense and how it makes sense for you. Let's take a look at what we're going to be talking about over the next couple weeks. All right, we're going to use a metaphoric example of a tree because everybody can relate to tree, right? Tree is a tree of life, right? Most of the time, symbolism for such, right? So let's take a look at how this tree can symbolize your information with regards to insurance. All right, we're going to talk about premiums as it was brought out here on this branch and how the insurance company break down the premiums. Okay, we're going to go into the ins and outs of premiums, why they exist, different things like that, and inform you a little bit about them so that when you're making your decision on obtaining a plan, that you can understand that there are some differences in premiums and how that can make it better for you. All right. We're going to inform your decision. Then we're going to talk about co-payment. All right. So we got to pay a monthly amount. Then I got to pay a co-payment. Okay. I get it. I get we got to pay a co-payment, right? But then you kind of scratch your head a little bit because I'm paying that monthly amount. Each time I go to the doctor, depending on what I'm going for, I'm paying a co-payment. But then there's that deductible here. Why am I paying a deductible? Right? Typically, deductibles can range all over the place depending on your insurance policy, right? So 500, 1,000, 1,500, even up to 5,500, 6,000, 10,000. When you have family situations, let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about why they exist and what the patient responsibility means with regards to a deductible. Yes, there's going to be a dedicated video for that. Then we're going to bring it back to coinsurance. Wait. I'm spending a lot of money, right? Still scratching your head. I know. You're going to say, I pay my premiums every month. Got it. I go to the doctor. I pay my copay. So far, so good. Now I even have to pay a deductible before my insurance kick in. And now that I've paid that deductible, I'm still paying some more money. That money that you're still paying is the coinsurance. But the coinsurance does a good thing because now that you've reached your deductible, the coinsurance is going to slim the patient responsibility, right? So you'll hear things such as 80/20, 30, 70/30, right? Because now the patient's responsibility may be 20%, it may be 30%. It all depends on the type of policy that you pick. So you're still paying out money. The rate it gets better, so we don't say that back for last. Let's take a look at MOOP. What is MOOP? MOOP is an acronym for maximum out of pocket. We're going to talk about that maximum out of pocket. We're going to go into the nicks and crannies of that maximum out of pocket so that you get the gist of what it means to you. Now, disclosure, each policy is going to differ just a bit, right? It's going to cater to that particular company as to what it means, but there's still a foundational understanding for every single one of the leaves that are on this tree, right? We're going to break down premiums. We're going to break down co-payments. We're going to break down deductibles. We're going to break down co-insurance. We're going to break down MOOP. What's our acronym? Maximum out of pocket. Yep, we're going to go through all of that. We're going to give you some basic information about it to kind of give you that aha moment that you need to be informed about insurance. Let's get back over to me. All right. So now that you know what's to come, and if you're still interested, great. I thank you for that because I'm here to assist, inform, and make it better for you. That's what we do at Tisurance, right? So, having said that, I am going to keep my promise and respect your time and keep this introductory video at a minimum, okay? And my hands are all over the place, but somewhere right up in here, you're going to get the link to the website to Tisurance and go over there and go check it out. Read up on it, see what it's about, see what's being offered in the services there, and check it out. Comment. And that's one of the final promises that I'm going to wrap back up to that favor that I was going to come back to you for. Hey, if you like what you just saw, giving you an introductory of what's to come, like, subscribe, right? If you didn't quite like it, it was something that just wasn't rocking for you, then that's cool. Be transparent about it, but of course respectful. Put it down in the comments below. I'll read those comments and I'll try to give that that it needs to get you what you need to inform your inquiries. All right. So I'm going to be respectful of your time. I appreciate you jumping over here and paying attention to what I have to say. And yeah, I want to get back to you. So please be sure to look at our next few segments. And thank you for visiting Tisurance. I appreciate you. See you in the near future.